English that is actually used overseas. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 3. Native speakers connect and speak one. What are you doing? Native speakers don't pronounce every word separately. What does it actually sound like? Whatcha doing? Whatcha doing? Where are you going? The words flow together naturally. How do people usually say it? Where ya going? Where ya going? Did you eat? The pronunciation changes in conversation. How would a native say it? Did you eat? Did you eat? Do you know? The two words blend together. What does it sound like? Do you know? Do you know? Can you help me? Fast speech changes the sounds. What's the natural version? Can ya help me? Can ya help me? Would you like to come? Native speakers shorten it. How does it really sound? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Could you come here? It is shortened in everyday speech. How do they say it? Could ya come here? Could ya come here? Have you seen it? The sounds connect smoothly. What about in conversation? Have ya seen it? Have ya seen it? What do you mean? It sounds shorter than the textbook version. How do natives say it? Would I mean? Would I mean? How do you know? Fast speech turns it into one chunk. What does it actually sound like? How do you know? How do you know? Are you ready? The words naturally blend. What sounds more natural? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? What did you say? The pronunciation changes quite a bit. What's commonly heard? What did you say? What did you say? Do you want it? It becomes shorter in fast speech. How would a native say it? Do you want it? Do you want it? Did you see that? The sounds naturally run together. What does it actually sound like? Did you see that? Did you see that? Can I ask you? Native speakers say it almost in one breath. What's the natural pronunciation? Can I ask ya? Can I ask ya? What you doing? What you doing? Where ya going? Where ya going? Did you eat? Did you eat? Do you know? Do you know? Can ya help me? Can ya help me? Would you like to come? Would you like to come? Could ya come here? Could ya come here? Have ya seen it? Have ya seen it? Would I mean? Would I mean? How do you know? How do you know? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? What did you say? What did you say? Do you want it? Do you want it? Did you see that? Did you see that? Can I ask ya? Can I ask ya? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.